Is your Valorant experience starting to feel less like a tactical shooter and more like a slow-motion slideshow where you're constantly dying behind cover? You know the feeling. You peek, shoot, get the kill confirmed on your screen, but then you're suddenly dead. Or your abilities just won't go off when you press them. That frustrating, rage-inducing delay between your actions and what actually happens in the game isn't just annoying. It actively sabotages your aim, ruins your clutches, and makes climbing those ranks an uphill battle against invisible forces. It's like the game itself is conspiring against you. Right, you're not alone in this digital nightmare. High ping and lag are common enemies for many agents out there, but don't throw your monitor out the window just yet. In this video we're going to arm you with the ultimate strategies and hidden tweaks to absolutely obliterate high ping and banish lag from your Valorant sessions, ensuring you're prepped for smooth, crispy gameplay well into those. Get ready to reclaim your competitive edge and hit those headshots with confidence. First things first, let's conquer your immediate environment, your home network. Ditch the Wi-Fi if you can. The wired Ethernet connection is like giving your internet a direct, high-speed highway to your, cutting down latency significantly and drastically improving stability. Also, don't underestimate the power of a simple router restart. It clears out old connections and refreshes things, often fixing minor hiccups you didn't even know were there. Make sure other devices aren't hogging all the bandwidth with massive downloads or streaming while you're trying to clutch. Next up, it's time for some crucial maintenance that can directly impact your in-game performance. Background apps are notorious ping killers, so make sure to close everything unnecessary. Discord, web browsers, streaming services, anything that consumes bandwidth for cycles. Always keep your graphics drivers and Windows OS up to date. These updates often include vital network optimizations and bug fixes specifically designed to improve gaming performance and overall system responsiveness. Even using Windows' built-in game mod can help prioritize Valorant's resource usage, giving it the undivided attention it needs to run smoothly. Now let's dive into Valorant-specific settings that can directly impact your ping and overall feel. Head into your game settings under network buffering and try adjusting it. Sometimes setting it to moderate or aggressive can help smooth out packet loss, though experiment to see what works best for your specific connection while not directly ping. Ensuring your play and frame rate is stable by capping it just below your monitor's refresh rate can prevent perceived lag from frame drops, making the game feel much smoother. And crucially, always double-check you're connected to the correct server region for your geographical location, as playing on a distant server will skyrocket your ping. If you're still struggling after all that, it's time for some deeper investigation and potentially external help. Consider trying custom servers like Cloudflare or Google. These can sometimes provide a faster, more direct route to game servers than your ISP's default, subtly reducing latency. Always check Valorant's official server status page. Sometimes the issue isn't on your end, but riots if all else fails. Don't hesitate to reach out to your internet service provider. They might be able to diagnose underlying line issues, optimize your connection from their end, or even offer a better service plan for serious gaming.